Hello. Hello.
Hey guys, I had a really a serious change of plan while I was filming. My sister-in-law called and I'm here to eat barbecued catfish. But first of all, we have to catch this catfish. I mean, I'm scared of fishes. Of course I like eating them, but I'm scared of live fishes. And we want to bring it out of the pond, right? We want to bring it out of the pond so we can clean them, and then we'll make barbecue with them. I can't wait. I really can't wait, okay, for this catfish. But yeah, these are the fishes. See Melody. See how this small girl wants to bring up. Can you see the size of this fish? Look at. Where's the biggest one? See, it's that one. Fish. It's bigger than what this camera is making it look like. That's the head of the fish. Anybody that wants to.
The problem is this one.
That was good.
No, leave it.
Carry out that way.
Hey. This is how you will struggle with it. That's how you will fight with it. Don't what I saw is a disadvantage. Tell me how you would have used net to catch this thing. Fight. You fight with that thing. I can't climb that thing with you. You should go. It will come out.
It will come out.
Yes. It will come out. Allow it to rest.
Sorry.
Heat outside.
It's okay, yeah.
Yes. Now we broom, just buckets. Oh, I cannot even raise my hand.
Raise your hand.
Ooh. If I hold this in person.
Sorry. But this fish is massive. This is what we want to eat. Look at the size of this fish. It's massive.
Come now.
In my sister-in-law's place, I'm taking Melody's bag, carrying my small mini tripod. Yeah. And my charger. Mel, have you helped me with your power bank here?
No problem.
Oh, it's too. My sunscreen. Size small come.
I say I've changed my mind.
Lip gloss.
Please.
What's it called? Yeah, please.
Please.
Hey, thank you very much. Good morning. I'm going out to shoot that content at the one at Oyibo. And it's actually a craft center somewhere at Oyibo. And I'm supposed to meet up with IJ at Rumola by 11. Yeah. So I'm just trying to eat quickly. I forgot a lot of things at home because I left home yesterday in a hurry. My husband was struggling to meet up an appointment and I knew that if I delay him, he'll leave me at home and I didn't want to take boats. So I forgot a lot of things. Right now, I'm just making do with what I have. I've shown you guys the outfit of the day, OOTD. And I want to just quickly eat. But yeah, I'll see you guys when I'm done eating.
Oh yeah. But yeah, and I'm the headquarter. So these people now come buy the house.
Okay, so now this place,
They come buy the
this
land.
structure now,
Yes,
the place when I've
thank
been doing.
you.
I remember that time. Say whenever
After
they
you
pass
and I
this
will say that
place-
police station.
Yeah.
This place that we they stay. So they don't buy the land, build this house.
Oh, okay.
So some of people now don't go LMA. Some
So
of
now because of the place where they buy, now make una they design plenty things they keep outside. The way una they keep before it.
and person cannot carry something
If
go
you
there
keep
now.
outside.
Because they
So
don't buy build house unless the owner you take permission
from the
from the
owner.
owner.
Girl, you got me down so bad. I can't say enough. She pull up with that new thing. Please don't fall in love, cause I think of you all day. Yeah, I was running through my brain, can't be nothing. Cause I just know you got me thinking about forever. Got a crush, crush, crush on you. I just wanna be your only crush, crush, crush on you. I'm not the type to keep it in, read it out to your mind. Let me tell you now, I got a crush, crush, crush on you. When I was looking outside, girl, you got me lost in your eyes.
Now I understand what you meant by let's take care of videos. I do more of then I used to capture plants. Anywhere I see plants. But you want to get more things inside? Okay, hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Welcome to a new vlog. How you guys doing? Hope you're having an amazing week. Okay, today's Thursday. Welcome to the beginning of a new vlog. Okay, yeah. I want to make pepper soup and rice, and I also want to complete my awara recipe that I started. Fun fact, yeah, I want to make awara or tofu, as some people call it. But yeah, so I have some stuff already placed. I'm going to show you guys what I have down. But I want to quickly blend pepper and onions because I know Nepa. Okay, Nepa not a joke. I'm not a joke with anybody. But yeah, so I have my pepper here, meat, and all of it. I need to wash up this pepper. Okay, so I need to wash up this pepper here and onions, and then I need to blend them. This is Kitchen Glory pepper soup spice. I have one pepper soup spice already. I'm just going to add this other one to it. So yeah, I know it's pepper soup, but I'm not going to use all of this pepper because my kids will not be able to eat it as they should. So I'm just going to go easy on the pepper. Okay, so I finished blending everything I need to blend. Except this fruit thing that my husband just brought. The soup is not hard, so I've just been craving it, but it's not hard at all. So I'm using this Kitchen Glory. Almost keep it for my eye. Sorry. I'm filming for Instagram and TikTok. That's why I have my phone here. Just pretend as if you did not see it. So guys, are you team cook and clean? Like as you're cooking, you're cleaning at once, or are you team finish cooking and then come back and clean the whole mess? Me, I prefer to clean as I cook because it's exhausting, especially the fact that most times when I'm cooking, I'm filming recipe. I'm filming my recipe, I'm cooking. By the time I'm done, I'll be so tired to come and like clean up the whole space that place will just be there. And the fact that I have like a dirty sink, dirty kitchen keeps I don't know what it does, like it does something to me. Okay, so I prefer to like cook and clean at the same time. But you know, when you come into the kitchen, that pile of dirty container, dirty pots, dirty spatulas, dirty spoons, dirty leftover crumbs of all of the things I use in cook. Oh god, that thing can be frustrating. I don't like seeing it. I've had this for a while and I was looking for, what was I even looking for, and I saw it. I said, oh okay, so I took half of it because what I want to make is not much. I took like a part of it. So they just took the light now and my filming would have to pause, but I'm almost done anyway. And I think this setting is not bad, even with the fact that there is no lights. Did you turn off the lights?
Yes, sure.
So I'm going I'll continue later. First of all, I need to make the rice. My rice is in the fire and I need to go and charge my battery. I have like 2% left. My mobile battery died and I'm going to plug it. And now I need to charge my camera battery so that by the time this rice is ready and the pepper soup is ready, I can film like the end result of what it looks like. So yeah, that's actually how I prefer my sink to look. I finished making the pepper soup. I was just waiting for it to boil down and thicken a little bit, and then I had rice in the fire. So if I slap you, you allow me to talk quietly now and in peace. The kids are back. That's why you can be hearing their voice in the background. And since it's a vlog, I can't do like a music to cover it. So pardon their small noise that they'll be making. I'm actually tired. Today I've worked. But yeah, I'm waiting for the rice to be ready and then I'll plate it and then I'll film it. The detailed recipe will actually be on TikTok. I'll put a longer version of the recipe on TikTok, and then YouTube Shorts will have like a more summarized version. YouTube Shorts is like how many seconds? 58 to 59 seconds. That's less than a minute. Hey guys, welcome back again to my YouTube channel. My name is Betty. You're welcome to Shondress Corner. In this channel, we talk about content creation, growth tips, entrepreneurship and business ideas, and then I throw in a lot of vlogs. Okay, lately I've been doing a lot of vlogs, but yeah, I put in a lot of vlogs here and there. If you're new here, please join the family. Subscribe, turn on your post notification. If you're an OG, thank you for always coming back to watch my videos. Thank you for leaving your comments. That's your cue to leave your comments, okay? If you never drop comments for this video, go and drop it. Go and drop it to the comment section, okay? Tell me what you think about the video. Tell me the kind of content you would like me to film next, and I'll be happy to do that. My hair is so old. God, I better go. Now they see I'm for camera. My hair is so old. I need to lose it. This one, he wants to say hi. Will you say hi, guys?